In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a payment receipt in Xero. Sending a receipt is a simple way to confirm to your customer that their payment has been received and properly applied to their invoice. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps you need to follow inside Xero, and I'll also point out a few things to double check along the way so everything looks professional. Start by logging into your Xero account and heading to the main dashboard. From here, look for the business or accounts area, depending on your layout, and click on Sales. This is where Xero groups all of your customer invoices and related activity. Once you're in the sales section, click on Invoices. This will open a list of all invoices in your organization, including drafts, awaiting payment, and those that are already paid. Because we're sending a receipt for a payment that's already been made, we want to focus only on the paid invoices. At the top of the invoice list, you'll see different tabs or filters. Click on the Paid tab. Xero will now show you only the invoices that have been fully paid off. Take a moment to scan through this list and find the specific invoice you want to send a receipt for. You can use the search bar to look for the customer's name, the invoice number, or the amount if that makes it easier. When you find the correct invoice, click on it to open the full invoice details. On this page, scroll down to the section that shows the payment details. You'll see a line or section often labeled Less Payment or similar, showing the date, amount, and method of payment that cleared the invoice. Within that payment line, click on the payment link to open the actual payment transaction. This takes you to the payment screen within Xero, where you can see exactly how that payment was recorded against your bank account or clearing account. On the payment screen, look for the Options menu, usually displayed as a button or drop down near the top right. Click on Options, and from the list that appears, choose Send Receipt. Xero will open an email window with a payment receipt template already prepared for you. Here, confirm the customer's email address, review the subject line and message, and make any small wording adjustments you need. When you're happy with how it looks, click Send. Xero will email the payment receipt directly to your customer, giving them a clear confirmation of their payment and closing the loop on that invoice.